Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best dirty knobs is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for any serious cyclist, offering a significant upgrade in comfort and control for your ride. Whether you're tackling challenging mountain trails or embarking on long-distance road journeys, the right grips can make all the difference in your performance and overall enjoyment. These aren't just simple handlebar covers, they are engineered components designed to enhance your connection with your bike, providing superior shock absorption and a secure, non-slip feel even in wet or muddy conditions. Investing in a quality pair of dirty knobs means investing in a more comfortable, safer, and ultimately more exhilarating cycling experience, allowing you to push your limits and explore further with confidence. Number 5. Wreckless Abandon. Are you ready to push your limits? Experience the thrill of reckless abandon and discover what you're truly capable of. It's time to break free. This is more than just a challenge, it's a journey of self-discovery. Face your fears head-on and emerge stronger than ever before. Embrace the unknown. Leave your worries behind and dive into an unforgettable experience. Feel the rush of adrenaline and the liberation of pure abandon. This is your moment. We provide the ultimate platform for you to test your mettle. Push past your perceived boundaries and achieve the extraordinary. Your adventure awaits. Don't let fear hold you back from living your life to the fullest. Seize every opportunity and create memories that will last a lifetime. Live boldly. What we like. This album delivers raw, untamed energy that will grab you from the first track. If you love authentic blues rock with a powerful, live feel, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who crave a visceral and electrifying listening experience. What people say. Mike Campbell is incredible. If you love guitar-driven rock blues, with great songs, you will love this album. He is at the top of his game, a very talented electric guitar player. Number 4. External combustion engine. Discover the power of external combustion. This technology offers a unique approach to energy conversion. It's designed for efficiency and reliability. Unlike internal combustion engines, the heat source is external. This allows for greater flexibility in fuel types. It then converts this heat into mechanical work. Experience enhanced fuel versatility and reduced emissions. Its robust design ensures long-term durability. This makes it an ideal choice for various applications. From industrial power to specialized equipment, its applications are diverse. It provides a stable and consistent power output. This technology is shaping the future of energy. Embrace a cleaner and more efficient way to generate power. Its innovative design sets a new standard. Explore the potential of external combustion today. What we like. Experience a truly unique sonic journey with this record's experimental approach. If you're looking for music that pushes boundaries and blends genres in unexpected ways, this is it. It's ideal for adventurous listeners who appreciate innovation and a fresh perspective. What people say. Great riffs and pretty good singing. Great for a road trip. Mike has a great sound with that perfect Gainesville drawl in his voice. The more I listen to it, the more I love it. This is another great album by Mike and the Dirty Knobs. Not a bad song on the album. The production on the album is great. Number 3. Shake Your Moneymaker 2020. Get ready to make some serious cash with the Shake Your Moneymaker 2020. This innovative tool is designed to help you maximize your earnings. Experience the future of financial growth today. Are you looking to boost your income? Our product offers a revolutionary approach to wealth creation. It's time to unlock your true earning potential and achieve your financial goals. We've developed a cutting-edge solution for financial growth. This system is built to adapt to your needs and provide consistent results. Invest in your future with confidence. Don't let your money sit idle. Our platform is engineered to maximize your returns efficiently. See your investments grow like never before. Step into the future of making money with this groundbreaking device. It simplifies complex financial strategies, making them accessible to everyone. Start your journey to financial freedom now. What we like. Get ready for a blast of classic rock with incredibly catchy melodies. If you appreciate well-crafted songs with a polished, radio-friendly sound, you'll love this. It's the perfect choice for fans of timeless rock anthems and sing-along choruses. What people say. The Dirty Knobs is a fantastic album with great songwriting and musicianship. The production is crisp and clear, allowing every instrument to shine. It's a must-have for fans of classic rock and roll. Number 2. Vagabonds, Virgins and Misfits. Embark on a journey with a group of unlikely companions. Discover their stories of adventure and self-discovery. Follow the paths of those who dare to be different. Their experiences will challenge your perceptions. Explore a world where societal expectations are left behind. Witness their unique bonds and struggles. Join them as they navigate through life's challenges. Their resilience will inspire you. This is a narrative about finding your place, no matter how unconventional. It's a celebration of individuality. What we like. Immerse yourself in heartfelt storytelling and a distinct Americana vibe. If you connect with lyrics that paint vivid pictures and evoke deep emotion, this is for you. It's best suited for listeners who enjoy narrative-driven music with a soulful, rootsy feel. What people say. A very consistently fun album with songs that will resonate for a long time. Mike has found his voice, his own sound, and he sings so well with Graham Nash, Dare to Dream, Lucinda Williams, Hell or High Water, and Chris Stapleton, Don't Wait Up. This album is in heavy rotation and will be for some time to come. Mike Campbell is lead guitarist on the majority of all those Tom Petty records. He also co-wrote a lot of them. A very consistently fun album with songs that will resonate for a long time. Mike has found his voice, his own sound, and he sings so well with Graham Nash, Dare to Dream, Lucinda Williams, Hell or High Water, and Chris Stapleton, Don't Wait Up. Number 1. The Laundry Room Collection White Ceramic Knob. Introducing a delightful knob from the Laundry Room Collection. Its glossy white ceramic finish adds a touch of elegance to any piece of furniture. Measuring 112 inches, this knob is designed for both drawers and cabinets. It's the perfect size to update your existing hardware. Installation is a breeze with the included 1-inch mounting hardware. You can easily swap it out for different seasons or special events. Beyond dressers and drawers, this versatile knob can enhance any furniture piece. It's a simple way to add a polished look to your home. Complete the look of any room with this stylish ceramic knob. It provides that essential finishing touch that elevates your decor. What we like. Add a charming decorative accent to your furniture with this easy upgrade. If you're looking for a simple way to refresh cabinets or drawers, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to add a touch of classic style or personalize their space for any occasion. What people say. The product has a great design and is very functional. The features are well implemented and add significant value. The build quality is excellent, ensuring durability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.